A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Question. When you hear God word, you go do it say, or it all go in on one ears and come out the next one? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead, click the subscribe button right now and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, me I go read from the letter from James, chapter 1, from verse 19 to verse 27. My brother and sister, hear what me I say. You must quick for ear and slow for talk or get vex. Cause when you get vex, you can't do the good sitting them where God want you to do. So you fi get rid of all the nasty and terrible sitting them where so enough about the place. Humble yourself and take in the message where God put in on the heart where can save your life. You no fi only hear God message. You fi do what it say. If you only listen and not do what God say, you only fool yourself. If nobody hear the message and not do what it say, then come in like one man will look on himself in a one looking glass, see what he look like, and after he don't look, he go away and no remember a thing what he look like. But if nobody take a good look in a law, we right in a everywhere, and we set people free. If he go and do it say, and not forget it, I even will get blessed. If nobody thinks say he must serve God the right way, but he can't control his tongue, he just a fool himself. And when say I do for God, no nothing. The kind of work with good and clean in a Father God eye at this. Help the picnic them who for father and mother them dead and we are suffer. And the woman them where husband dead and we are suffer too. And keep away from the wicked sitting them we in the world. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.